Ready? Are you going to play ball with me now? Do you see 2 of them or 3 of them? Look. Fred, go get the ball. Good boy. Bring it to me. Where's the ball? Good boy. Freddie. Bring it to Nay. Bring it to Nay. There you go. Life with FrediCat. He's a fetching little cat, but he don't like to give it back to me sometimes. Ready, Freddie? Here. Go get him. Whoops. Here. He don't see real good sometimes. Oh, Willow got it for him. Come here, Freddie.
You use your foot on that crinkle sack and he thinks it's treats.
There's Mama's baby Freddie. 1, 2, 3. What is this? String cheese? Do you like string cheese, Freddie? Freddie? Freddie, do you like string cheese?
He doesn't like string
He
cheese.
doesn't like string cheese. He doesn't like green eggs and ham and Sam I
He
am.
likes cat treats and he needs them because they all eat his food.
He can have cat treats.